Hello guys, now we're back in the game with Mojo84. The stunning see-through design remains, but we added a cool black keycap. The Gasket mouse newly added pointer switches mat makes the typing sound more satisfying. Just listen. F1 to F12 function keys are added to the 84 key positions. These 12 keys can complete faster and more convenient operations. Hot-swappable design makes it easy to swap, upgrade, and mix switches without soldering the keyboard. Exclusive KB tools allows you to create custom macros in your own shortcut settings. RGB backlighting colors and rhythms can be selected in infinite combinations. ABH double shot reduces wear and makes the keycaps more durable. Mojo84 supports 2.4G USB wireless, Bluetooth 5.2 and wired connection. Support us now.